Here I am going to teach 11th question of 4.6 exercise. Solve first equation 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. Second equation x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2. We will cross multiply. 2x minus 4y minus 2z equal to 3 because we are to avoid fraction. Then this is first equation, this is second equation, third equation, there is no y, 3y minus 5z equal to 9. 3y minus 5z equal to 9. First write coefficient matrix. What is coefficient matrix? All the coefficients 2, 1, 1. First row 2, 1, 1. Second row 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. Check the question. Yes. Third equation 0, 3 minus 5. Minus 5. Then x, y, z. Then next equation b. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. Then write all the cofactors. First then determinant. Determinant a is equal to 2 into 20 plus 6. 20 plus 6 minus 1 into minus 10 minus 0 plus 1 into 6 minus 0 is 2 into 6, 26 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 52 plus 62, 68, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then find all the cofactors. A11, A11, minus 4, minus 2, 3, minus 5. Minus 4, minus 2, 3, minus 5 is equal to 20 plus 6, 26. A12 minus because R A12 2 minus 2 0 minus 5 2 minus 2 0 minus 5 is equal to minus of minus 10 minus 0 is equal to plus 10. A13 2 minus 4 0 3 A12 minus 4 0 3 is equal to 6 minus 0 6. 6 minus 0 6. A21 negative or A21 negative. A21 is this 1 1 3 minus 5 1 1 3 minus 5 minus of 1 into 5 minus 5 3 minus 3 plus 8 plus 8. A22 2 1 0 minus 5 2 1 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 10 minus 0 minus 10. A23 negative positive or A23 is this 2103 is equal to minus of 6 minus 0 minus 6. A31 positive 1 1 minus 4 minus 2 1 1 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 2. A32 minus 212 minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 4 minus 2 plus 6 minus 4 minus 6 into 1 A33 212 minus 4 is equal to minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. So you find all the cofactors. Then find cofactor matrix AJ. Write in the order. What is the first row? First row 26, 10, 6. 26, 10, 6. Second row 8 minus 10 minus 6. Third row 2, 6 minus 10. 2, 6 minus 10. Then find adjoint A. Adjoint A is transpose of the cofactor matrix. 26, first column, first row. Second column, second row. Third column, third row. 6 minus 6 minus 10. Then 6 minus 6 minus 10. Then A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is equal to 1 by 68 into adjoint A. 26, 8, 2, 10, minus 10, 6, 6, minus 6, minus 10. Then apply in the matrix equation. X is equal to A inverse into B is equal to 1 by 68 into 26, 8, 2, 10, minus 10, 6, 6, minus 6, minus 10 into what's 139. Carefully write. Then X, Y, Z. In place of X, you can put X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by 68 into, we have to multiply. 6 into 26 into 1, 26, plus 8 into 3, 24, plus 2 into 9, 18. Then 10 into 1, 10, minus 30, plus 80, plus 80. Then 6 into 1, 6, minus 80, minus 90, is equal to, if you add 26 plus 50, 68. Then this is 10, 20, 28. Second row. This is wrong. 10 minus 30 plus 54. This is 54. 64. 64 minus 30, 34. Then 6 into 1, 6. 108. This is 108, 6, 102. This is minus 102. Then X, Y, Z equal to 68 by 68, 54 by 68, and minus 102 by 68. The answer is 1 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus, therefore X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 by 2, and Z is equal to minus 3 by 2. If we substitute all the values any one of the equations, we will get the answer. See, if we substitute 1, 2, 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 and half. 2 and half minus 1 and half, 1. So equation is satisfied. That's why we have to solve a linear equation in 3 variable by matrix method. X minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 4. First write coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. Second row 2 1 minus 3, 2 1 minus 3. Third row 1 1 1. Then write variable matrix X. X, Y, Z. Then write constant matrix B. 4 0 2. 4 0 2. Then find determinant A. Determinant A. Determinant A. 1 into 1. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. Here minus 1, formula of minus of minus 1 plus 1. 2. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3. Plus 1. 1 into 2 into 1. 2 minus 1. Now simplify. 4. 1 into 4, 4. Plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into 1, 5. Plus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So 10 not equal to 0. A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Then find all the cofactors of the elements. A11. A11. 1 minus 3, 1, 1. 1 minus 3, 1, 1 is 1 into 1, 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3 equal to 4. Then A12 is negative because 1 plus 2 are negative. 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1. 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1 is 1, 1. That minus of 2 into 2, 2 plus 3 equal to minus 5. Then A13, A13, 2 1 1 1, 2 1 1 1, 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1 1 1. A21, A21 negative, A21 negative, minus 1 1 1 1 is equal to minus of minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus plus 2. Then A22, A22 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 0. A23, A23 negative. Why negative? 2 plus 3 are 2 3 is 1 minus 1 1 1 is minus of 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Then A31, A31 minus 1 1 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 1 minus 3. Expand minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, 1 minus 1 equal to 2, equal to 2. Find A32. A32 is minus because of what? A32 is 1 1 2 minus 3, 1 1 2 minus 3. Minus of multiply 1 into minus 3 minus 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 minus 2, minus 5, minus of minus 5 plus 5. Then A33. A33 is 1 minus 1 2 1, 1 minus 1 2 1. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1, minus 2, minus of minus 2, plus 2 equal to 3. So carefully we have find all the cofactors of the matrix. That's why capital A is a adjoint cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is right in the order 4 minus 5 1. 4 minus 5 1. Then 2 0 minus 2. 2 0 minus 2. Third row 2 5 3. 2 5 3. 2 5 3. Then find adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to cofactor matrix transpose of the cofactor matrix. Therefore, adjoint A is equal to 4, 2, 2. First column, first row. Second column, second row. Minus 5, 0, 5. Third column, 1, minus 2, 3. 1, minus 2, 3. Then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is equal to 1 by determinant A into 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. Then substitute in the matrix equation. What is the matrix equation? X is equal to A inverse into B. In place of X, X y z. X y z equal to 1 by 10 into 4 to 2, 5 minus 5, 0, 5, 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. Into you multiply with the constant matrix. The constant matrix 4, 0, 2. Then carefully multiply 1 by 10 into 4 into 2, 4, 16, 2 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20, 0 into 0, 0, 5 into 2, 10. 1 into 4, 4, minus 0, plus 6 is equal to X, Y, Z. Equal to here 1 by 10 into 20 minus 10, 10. 20 by 10, 20 divided by 1 by 10 into 20, 2, 1 by 10 into minus 10, minus 1, 1 by 10 into 10, 1. So, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to minus 1, Z is equal to 1. X is equal to, Y is equal to minus 1, Z is equal to 1. If you want to check, satisfy any one of the equation. X is equal to 2 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So, the answer is 4.6, question number 13. 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z equal to minus 14. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. First part, right? Coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix 2, 3, 3 first row. Second row 1, minus 2, 1. Third row 3, minus 1, minus 2. Then write variable matrix. Variable matrix X, Y, Z. Then constant matrix B equal to 5 minus 4, 3. Write all the three matrices. Then find determinant A. Determinant A equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. minus 3 into 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 3 into 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, plus 6, plus 6. Then 2, 4 into 2 into 5, 10, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 5, minus 5 into minus 3, plus 15, plus 15, plus 15, minus 1, minus 1 plus 6, plus 5 into 3, plus 15. 15 plus 15 to 30, 30 plus 10, 40. 40 not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then find all the cofactors. A11, A11, A11 minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5. A12 negative because odd. 1, 2, 1, 3 minus 2. 1, 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 5. A13, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 equal to minus 1, minus 2 plus 6 is equal to plus 5. A21 minus A21, 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus of 3 into 1, 3 minus 6 plus 6 is equal to minus 9. Three into 1. A21 is A21, 3 minus 1 minus 2. A21 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus of 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 into 3 plus 3. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 plus 3. A22 is this 2, 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 13. A23 negative. 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1 equal to minus of minus 2 minus 9 minus 11 plus 11 minus 11 plus 11. A31 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 3 into 1 3 plus 6 9 3 plus 6 9. A32 minus 2 3 1 1 is equal to minus of 2 minus 3 equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then A33 2 3 1 minus 2 2 3 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 See, last we have found all the cofactors. Then find capital A, that is cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix, you write in the order. What is the order? 5, 5, 5. First row, 5, 5, 5. Second row, 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13, 11. Third row, 9, 1 minus 7. 9, 1 minus 7. Then find adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of the cofactor matrix. Adjoint A is equal to 5, 3, 9. First column, first row. 5 minus 31. Second column, second row. Then 5, 11 minus 7. Third column, third row. 5 minus 7. Then find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is equal to 1 by 40 into adjoint A. Adjoint A is 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. Then apply the matrix equation. What is the matrix equation? Capital X is equal to A inverse into B is equal to X, Y, Z. A inverse 1 by 40, 5, 3, 9, 5, 3, 5, 3, 9. 5 minus 13, 1. 5 minus 13, 1. 5, 11 minus 7. Multiply with the constant matrix. Multiply with the constant matrix. 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. Then we get X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 40. Then multiply. 25 minus 12. 25, 5 into 5, 25, 3 into minus 12 plus 27. 25 minus 12, 27. Then 5 into 5, 55 plus 52 plus 3 plus 3. Then 5 into 5, 55 minus 44 minus 21 is equal to 22, 40, 52, 40, 20, 55, 80. This is 65 minus 65 minus 40 minus 40. Then X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 40 into 40, 1 by 40 into 80, 2, 1 by 40 into minus 40 minus 1. Therefore, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to 1. If we substitute any all the values in any one of the equations, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3 into 6, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3 is 6, 8, 8 minus 3, 5. So, our answer is correct. Exercise 4.6, question number 14. X minus y plus 2z equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. First write coefficient matrix. First row 1 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 2. Second row 3 4 minus 5. Third row 2 minus 1 3. 2 minus 1 3. Then variable matrix X. Standard X, Y, Z. Then variable matrix B. What is the variable matrix B? 7 minus 5, 12. Then write determinant A. Determinant A. 1 into 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. Minus of minus 1 plus 1 into 9 plus 10. 9, 5 into minus 10 plus 10 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 8 minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 12 minus 5 7 plus 90 minus 11 minus 22 is equal to 26 minus 22 4 not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then find all the cofactors. A11, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5 minus 1 3 is equal to 12 minus 5 7. 12 minus 5 7. A12 minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 3 or 3 minus 5 2 3. 3 minus 5 2 3 minus of 3 into 3 9 plus 10 minus 19. A13 3 4 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. A21 minus minus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 into minus plus 1. A22 1 2 2 3 1 2 2 3 1 into 3 3 3 minus 4 minus 1. A23 negative 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 is equal to minus of 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus again minus 2 plus 2 is equal to A23 is this 1 minus 1 sorry 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. A31 minus 1 to 4 minus 5 minus 1 to 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 5 minus 8 minus 3. Then A32 minus 1 2 3 minus 5 1 2 3 minus 5 is equal to minus of minus 5 minus 6 minus 11 plus 11. A33 1 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 1 3 4 is equal to 1 into 4 minus 3 plus 3 4 3 7 is equal to 7. So we have all the cofactors. Then find capital Aij, that is cofactor matrix. Capital Aij is equal to first row 7 minus 19 minus 11. 7 minus 19 minus 11. Second row 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1. Third row 11, 7. Minus 3, 11, 11. Then find adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. Therefore, adjoint A is equal to 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 1, 7. 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, and minus 11, minus 1, 7. Exactly. Then A inverse. A inverse we got formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Here our value of the determinant A is 4. 1 by 4 into 7 minus 1 minus 3, 7, 1 minus 3, minus 18, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 1, 7. Then apply the matrix equation. X is equal to A inverse. See X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by 4 into 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 1, 7 into 7, minus 5, 12. Therefore, X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 4 into multiply 49 minus 5 minus 49 minus 7 49 minus 36 minus 36. Second row 7 3 is 63 minus 133 plus 5 plus 7 12 are 132. Then minus 77 plus 5 plus 84 is equal to, this will become minus 45 plus 4. This will become minus 1 plus 5, 4. 41, this is 8. This is 41, 8. This is 4. Minus 77 plus 7, 12. Well, therefore, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 4 into 8, 2. 1 by 4 into 4, 1. 1 by 4 into 12, 3. Therefore, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1, Z is equal to 3. This is the answer. X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1, Z is equal to 3. It's up to here, X is equal to 1, 1. 1, X is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So, that is the correct answer. Exercise 4.6, question number 14. X minus y plus 2z equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. First write coefficient matrix A. First row 1 minus 1 2. Second row 3 4 minus 5. Third row 2 minus 1 3. Then variable matrix X. X, Y, Z. Then constant matrix B. 7 minus 5, 12. Then find determinant A. Determinant A. 1 into 4 into 3, 12. Minus 5, minus 1, plus 5. Minus, already minus here, so plus 1. Plus 1. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus of minus 10, plus 10. Plus 2. 2 into 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 4 into 8, minus 8. Plus 8, formula minus 8. Is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. Then 19 into 1 plus 19. Minus 11, minus 11, minus 22. Minus 22. 12 minus 22. 9 plus 10, 9. 9 plus 10, 19. 9 plus 10, 19. 17 plus 19, 26. 26 minus 22, 4 not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a non-singular matrix. A inverse exists. This system has only unique solution. Now we have to find all the four factors. A11. A11. First row, first column. 4 minus 5 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 5 minus 1, 3. Expand. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. A12 negative. A12 negative. A12 3 minus 5, 2, 3. 3 minus 5, 2, 3. Then minus of 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 10, 19 and minus 19. A31. Sorry. A13. A13. 3, 4, 2 minus 1. 3, 4, 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 3. Minus 8. Minus 11. Minus 11. 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 11. A21. A21 negative. A21 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Minus of minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. A22. A22, this is when 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Then A23. A23 negative. Why negative? Odd. A23. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. The answer is minus of minus 1 plus minus 1. This is minus of minus 2 plus 2 is equal to plus 1, but here minus, so minus 1. A31. A31. Minus 1, 2, 4 minus 5. Minus 1, 2, 4 minus 5 is equal to plus 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. A32. A32 negative. A32 1, 2, 3 minus 5. 1, 2, 3 minus 5. Minus of 1 into 5 minus 5. Minus 6, 3 into 6 minus 6. Minus 11 into minus plus 11. Last element A33. A33. 1 minus 1, 3, 4. 1 into 4, 4 plus 3, 3 into 7. So we have found all the cofactors. Then form the cofactor matrix Aij. Capital Aij is equal to first row 7 minus 19 minus 11. 7 minus 19 minus 11. Second row 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1. Third row 3 11 7. 3 11 7. That's all. Then we have to find the adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Adjoint A is equal to Aij, the whole transpose, is equal to 7 1 B minus 19 minus 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 7. This is the adjoint matrix. Then we have to find inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 4. Already we have found determinant. 1 by 4 into adjoint. 7, 1, 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 11, minus 1, 7, 1, 3, minus 19, minus 1, 7, minus 11, minus 1, 7. Now we have to find the matrix equation. What is the matrix equation? X is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to A inverse into B. In place of X, we write X, Y, Z. A inverse 1 by 4 into 713. First row 713, second row minus 19, minus 1, 7, 11, sorry. 11, minus 11, minus 11, minus 1, 7. Minus 11, minus 1, 7. Multiply with the constant matrix. Which is the constant matrix? 7 minus 5, 12. 7 minus 5, 12. Then multiply X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 4. Now you multiply. On multiplying, 7 into 7, 49. 1 into 5, 1 into minus 5, minus 5. 3 into 12, plus 36. Plus 36. Minus 7 into 9, 7 into 19. 63, 6, 7 1 are 7, 133, minus 133, plus 5, plus 5, plus 11 12 are 132, 11 12 are 132, then minus 11 into 7, minus 77, plus 5, plus 84, plus 84. Then add X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 4. Add up 49. 49 plus 36, 85, 80. 49 plus 36, 85. 85 minus 5, 80. Minus 137. Minus 1 plus 137 minus 133. 4 plus 4, then minus 77, 89, 89, 77 is equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12. If you divide 80 by 40, 20, 4 by 4, 1, 12 by 4, 3, therefore compare. X is equal to 20, Y is equal to 1, Z equal to 3. X is equal to 20, X is equal to. See here the mistake. See A31 is minus 3. A31 minus 3. Here I have not written minus 3. That is the mistake here. A31 is minus 3. A31 minus 3. Then here you will get minus 3. Here you will get minus 3. Then here also you will get minus 3. minus 3, you will get to minus 36. Minus 36, you will get to minus 36, minus 36, minus 41, you will get to plus 8. Plus 8, you will get to plus 8. So the answer is 2. The answer is 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Here the only mistake. See, you should not do that mistake. Because minus 8, minus 3. But you put minus 3 correctly, but I put that with minus 3. So here also 7, 1, minus 3. 7, 1, minus 3. Here also minus 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, then if you want to satisfy, you will satisfy. X is equal to 1, satisfy, you will get 7. When you substitute here also, you will get minus 2. Exercise 4.6, question number 15. Matrix A is given. We are asked to find A inverse. Hence we have to solve the above equations. First to find A inverse, first to find determinant A, then all the cofactors, then cofactor matrix, then adjoint matrix, then applying the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Then we will use in matrix equation, we can solve the above equations. First to find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4. Minus of minus 4 plus 4. Plus 3. Why by 3? Already minus. Formula minus. Minus into minus plus 3. 3 into 2. Minus 6. Plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Then plus 5 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 0 minus 6 plus 5 equal to minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then find all the cofactors. A11, A11, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0. A12 minus, A12 minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Then A13. A13 minus. Minus 3 2 1 1. 3 2 1 1 is equal to minus of 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. A21. A13 minus, A13 plus. See, this is plus 1, 3 into plus 1. A13 A12, then A13 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 1 3 minus 2 1. Then A21 minus minus 3 5 2 minus 4 minus 3 5 1 minus 2 minus 3 5 1 minus 2 minus of 3 minus 6 plus 6 minus 5 equal to 6 minus 5 1 minus 1 6 minus 5 minus 1. A22 2 5 1 minus 2 2, 5, 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Then A to 3. A to 3 negative. A to 3 minus of 2 3. 2 minus 3 1 1. 2 minus 3 1 1. Minus of 2. Minus of minus 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. A 3 1. A 3 1. A 3 1 is minus 3 5 2 minus 4. Minus 3 5 2 minus 4 is equal to plus minus 3 minus 4 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. A 3 2. A 3 2 negative. A 3 2 negative. A 3 2 negative. A 3 2 is this. 2 5 3 minus 4. 2 5 3 minus 4 is equal to minus of 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 3 into 5 minus 18 minus 15 minus 23 minus 23 plus 23 plus 23. Then 8 3 3. 8 3 3. 2 minus 3 3 2. 3 2 is equal to 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 15. So we have found all the four factors. Write A J. A J is equal to 0 to 1. First row 0 to 1. Second row minus 1 0 to 1. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 5. Third row 2 23 30. 2 23 30. Then find adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to adjoint transpose 0 minus 1 2. 2 minus 9 23. 1 minus 5 30. 1 minus 5 30. Then A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by minus 1 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 9 23 1 minus 5 50. That's all we have found A inverse. Then we have to solve this equation. To solve equation, we have to substitute in the matrix equation. What is the matrix equation? X is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by minus 1, 1 by minus 1, 0 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 9, 23, 2 minus 9, 23, 1 minus 5, 30 into Cartesian matrix. Cartesian matrix is 11 minus 5 minus 3. 11 minus 5 minus 3. 11 minus 5 minus 3 and multiply. 1 by minus 1 minus 0 plus 6 plus 6 0 into 11 11 0 into 11 0 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 6 minus 6. Second row 0 2 into 11 22 plus 45 minus 69 and 1 11 plus 25 minus 39 is equal to x, y, z equal to 1 by minus 1 into, it is minus 1, 67 minus 2, 3 minus 38, 36 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, 1, minus 2 by minus 1, 2, minus 3 by minus 1, 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. That's all the answer. Satisfies? X is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 6, 2 minus 6, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 plus 15, minus 4 plus 15, 11. So our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. Good students. Exercise 4.6, question number 16, last question. It is a statement sum. What is the statement sum? The cost of 4 kg of onion, 3 kg of wheat, 2 kg of rice is rupees 60, and 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, and 6 kg rice rupees 20. Cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, and 3 kg rice rupees 70. You have to find the cost of 1 kg of onion, 1 kg of wheat, and 1 kg of rice. Per kg means for 1 kg by matrix method. This is one of the application of matrices. For this, we have to assume 1 kg of onion, 1 kg of wheat, and 1 kg of rice, some variable. Let 1 kg of rice. Let 1 kg of onion be rupees X. Let 1 kg of wheat be rupees Y. Let 1 kg of rice be rupees Z. You have to form the equation. 4 kg of onion, 4x, plus 3 kg of wheat, 3y, plus 2 kg of rice, 2z. Cost rupees 60. First equation. Second equation, 2 kg of onion, 2x, plus 3 kg of, plus 4 kg of wheat, 4y, plus 6 kg of rice, plus 6z. That cost rupees 90. Third equation, 6 kg of onion, 6x, plus 2 kg of wheat, plus 2y, plus 3 kg of rice, plus 3z is rupees 70. We have formed the equation. Then write coefficient matrix, variable matrix, and constant matrix. Capital A is equal to first row 4, 3, 2. Second row 2, 4, 6. Third row 6, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. Then variable matrix X, Y, Z. Then constant matrix 60, 90, 70. Then find the determinant of the matrix. 4 into 12 minus 12 minus 3 into 6 minus 36 plus 2 into 4 minus 24 is equal to 4 into 0, 12 minus 12 0, minus 3 into minus 30 plus 2 into minus 20 is equal to 0 plus 90 minus 40 is equal to 50, not equal to 0, therefore A was exist. So determinant A not equal to 0. Then we have to find all the cofactors. Find A11. A11 4, 6, 2, 3. 4, 6, 2, 3 is 12 minus 12, 0. A12 negative. A12 negative. 2, 6, 6, 3. 2, 6, 63 is equal to minus of 6 minus 36. 6 minus 36 minus 30 equal to plus 30 is equal to plus 30. Third one, A13, 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 2462, 2462 is equal to 4 minus 24 is equal to minus 20. A21, A21 is negative. A21 is negative. A21, 3223, 3223. Minus of 9 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. Then A22, 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 4263. 4263 is 12 minus 12, 0. A23, negative. A23, S1, 4362. 4362 is equal to minus of 8 minus 18 is equal to 8 minus 18 minus 10 minus of minus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then A31, 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 3246, 3246. 18 minus 8, 10. A32 minus 2, 4, 4226. 4226 is equal to minus of 24 minus 4 is equal to 20 plus 20 minus 50 minus 20. A33, 4324, 4324 is equal to 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Now we have to find A, that is cofactor matrix. What is the cofactor matrix? Write in the order. 0, 30, minus 20. 0, 30, minus 20. Second row, minus 5, 0, 10. Minus 5, 0, 10. Third row, 10, minus 20, 10, minus 20, 10. Then adjoint A. Adjoint A is the transpose. 0, minus 5, 10. Then 30, 0, minus 20. Third row, minus 20, 10, and it is the adjoint A. Then we have to find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A, 1 by determinant A, 1 by 50 into adjoint A. 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10. Then we got A inverse. Then I supply the matrix equation. X is equal to A inverse into B. What is X? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by 50 into 0 minus 5, 10. 0 minus 5, 10. Second row, 30, 0 minus 20. 50, 0 minus 20. Third row, minus 20, 10, 10. 10 into the constant matrix 60, 90, 70. 60, 90, 70. Now multiply X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 50 into 0. 60 into 0, 0 minus 450 plus 700. Minus 450 plus 700. Second row, 1800 plus 0 minus 1400 minus 1400 then this is minus 1200 plus 900 plus 700. If you simplify x, y, z is equal to 1 by 50 into minus 450 250 minus 450 250 minus 400 400. This is 1600 400 into 400. 250 by 250 by 1 by 50 into 250 5. 400 into 1 by 50 8. This is also good. Therefore, cost of 1 kg of onion rupees. Cost of 1 kg of wheat rupees 8. Cost of 1 kg of rice being rupees 8. How to check our answer? How to check our answer? You substitute any one of the equation. Any one of the equation. 4 into 5 20. 3 into 8 24. Plus 2 into 8 16. 3 into 8 16. 24 plus 16 40. 40 plus 20 60. So answer is correct. That's all. That is the cost of 1 kg of onion rupees 5. Cost of 1 kg of wheat is rupees 8. The cost of rice is rupees 8. 4.6 exercise over.